Girls grew hair overnight. Excuse me, nobody can tell me otherwise. And it's so seamless, y'all. Like, you can't tell.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our first official hair video for the year. Anyways, so y'all probably like, how is this a hair video and your hair already styled, Joliza? No baby, this is the type of hair video. And is the hair done? That's a question. Today we'll be adding some length to the fro. And you're probably like, how is that? Like, how is that possible? Don't worry, I got y'all. I got y'all. And that brings us to today's sponsor, CurlsQueen. And y'all will live by the slogan, to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. So let's get right into it. I'm excited. Right off the bat, we got a goodie bag, which is so cute. We got a comb to style the hair, bonnet, a curly girls essential, and we also got some extra quickies. I ain't show y'all the hairs yet. Straight out of the packaging. Quality, 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 baby. It's insane. Like, oh my god, this is like a full head of hair. You don't even need to have leave outs, which is crazy. This hair is the water Jerry Curly in the color Balayage, and it's 22 inches. I am gonna wash it first, just to, like, you know, test the hair. We need to test the hair. And also I feel like because of, you know, shipping and so forth, it gets some shrinkage going on, like, so I need to wash it and condition it, and then we'll add the extension. Let's get into it. I washed the clip-ins and baby, like, let me just tell y'all, this hair is very much high quality. It's like the hair growing out of your scalp. I'm like, I kid you not. I am not even exaggerating. Need I say more? Like, need I say more? Crazy thing is, look at the blend. Look at the blend. The Balayage is like a dark brown and it have highlights in it. And y'all know, y'all girl have highlights already. And my hair is kind of like a dark brown also. So the blend, oh my god, it's like every T's were crossed and every I's were dotted while making this hair. So let's just get into it, y'all, because I'm excited. And at this point, I know you're probably excited too. Let's get into it. Let us get into it. First thing first, I'm gonna section my hair. This is the amount of hair that I left out to the back. And it's so simple. You just clip out and clip out. And you literally just find your placement onto your natural hair and snap the clips in. It's that simple, y'all. It's secured. You don't need to worry about it pulling out or any of that sort. Y'all, this snaps in so easily. It's done. It's did. Like, hello? Hello. I had my spray bottle on standby just because my natural hair was a bit dry, so I raked my fingers through it. Y'all, this is 22 inches, but honey, it's giving more than 22. So you just repeat the same step as you previously did with the section of your natural hair. So this one has 4. I'm gonna go in with the one with 4 again. And what I absolutely love about these clip-ins is that you do not need to be a professional to install it by yourself. It's really beginners friendly. Also, when it comes to section of your hair, you don't necessarily need to do it with a comb. You can do it like just part in a generous amount with like your fingers or whatever, and snap the clips in. And as y'all can see here, I was at the 5 clip mark because I was kind of at the center of my hair so that the placement would be perfect. And I continue to spray my hair just to blend my natural hair a bit because my hair has a lot of volume, and I was trying to, like, you know, lay it down to blend with the length of the clip-ins. But in a case like this, it'll be best to use gel to wear your curls in a bit just to minimize volume. At this point, I was at the 4 mark clip-in, and as you can see, I was almost done with my hair. And y'all, my hair was already looking thick. Okay, you can do the leave out method as I did, or you can literally just braid your entire hair and do the no leave out method. This is growing out of my scalp. This is growing out of my scalp. Nobody can tell me nothing else. This is out of my scalp. Straight out of my scalp. Y'all, the comb was for decoration purposes because we were not really using it, okay? But this is me showing y'all the clip-ins close up and how it snaps out really easily. And again, you find your placement and just snap it in. And honestly, y'all, at this point, I was just really going with the flow because there isn't no correct or wrong way to install these clip-ins. And I say this to say that it's very beginners friendly. As previously mentioned, you do not need any prior experience doing hair or so forth. Due to the fact that my hair already had products in it and it was already dried, basically, I had to continuously spray it just to blend it a little with the clip-ins. So this is the part where you need to make sure that your 2 clip marks are reserved for the crown of your head to ensure that you don't see the band of your clippies. You need a seamless installation, especially to the front of your head. So out of the 10 pieces of hair, you get 4 pieces with just 2 clips, and those should be reserved for the front part of your hair as previously mentioned for a seamless installation. I was deciding if I want a side part or a middle part, but I eventually decided to go with this side part. Y'all, listen, it's getting scalp. Who could tell me this ain't growing out of my roots? Like, excuse me, long hair, who this? I tell you, the quality is insane. The blend is insane. It's not fully dried as yet, so of course, as it dries, I'll get more volume below here. So the blend is gonna be even more insane, but like, look at it, bro. Like the texture, everything, it looks like my hair. It looks like my hair. And this is a 22 Balayage water jerry curly. Every single stylist you could think of, girl, you could do it, because you know why? This is coming out of your roots. This is coming out of your roots, okay? And nobody can tell me otherwise. Like, you can't tell me otherwise. If you can run and get this hair now, like, if you don't want to run and get it. Again, this is the Balayage 22 inches in the water jerry curly. I'll leave every single information in the description below, and y'all can use my code for some money off, and go copy yourself this hair, girl. Go on, you need it, you deserve it. And another thing is, there's like so many textures to choose from, so even if you don't have similar hair textures to me, they got y'all covered. You're not worried. They even have straight, kinky straight, and body weave, and it's so seamless, y'all. Like, you can't tell, you cannot tell, okay? So go treat yourself. Again, thank you to CurlsQueen for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go and copy yourself this hair, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Later.